Accessing removable media in Bash on Windows. Is there a way to access removable media, for example thumb drives or SD cards, from within Bash on Windows? Bash on Windows uses drives to mount fixed drives in the /mnt folder, but it doesn't automatically mount removable media. And it doesn't look like it puts them in /dev either. Is there a way to mount removable drives? Is there a way to access the underlying block device?
Good news, it is now possible to mount USB media, including formatted as FAT, and network shares with DRVFS on Windows 10. Mount removable media, for example D. To safely unmount. You can also mount network shares without SMBFS. You need at least build 16176, so you might have to opt into the Windows Insider program and then update Windows. Source: this URL.
Is there a way to access removable media from within Bash on Windows? Update. Apparently it is now possible starting from Windows 10 build 16176. See this URL. No. At the moment there are limitations on what drives are mounted. In order for a drive to show up under /mnt/ it must meet the following criteria. The drive must be a fixed drive. The drive must be formatted to NTFS. This has been raised as an issue. Drives other than C are not mounted in /mnt number 1079. It is still marked as open. To facilitate interoperability with Windows, WSL uses the DRVFS file system. WSL automatically mounts all fixed drives with supported file systems under /mnt, such as /mnt/c, /mnt/d, etc. Currently, only NTFS and refs volumes are supported. Source: WSL file system support. Further reading. WSL file system support.
I am finally able to configure WSL2 to auto-mount my SD card as non-root user and preserve owner group and RWX permissions on SD card. My SD card is NTFS in format. Step 1. Enable auto-mount. Create /etc/wsl.conference with this content. Step 2. Create MNT/D where we want to mount our drive. Step 3. Enable stab entry for SD card to be mounted at /mountain/D. In my case, D drive on Surface Pro 7. Note: there are two lines. First one was already there. I added the second line. Options user is requires, else it mounts as root user. And option metadata is required, else it won't be able preserve user, group etc. permissions. Exec is needed, else you may not be able to execute files in mounted file system. I was not able to execute file in Windows 11. Step 4. Restart WSL.
To add on to the existing answers, if you install an X driver for Windows, For example, X2FSD, you can mount an X full system like you would an NTFS file system. These can be useful if you want to mount Raspberry Pi cards.
Windowssubsystemforlinux.